The second umbilical will retract in just a few seconds, initiating the engine sequence start. And engine sequence start has begun. Engine ignition confirmed. The engine's throttling up, now at full throttle. Turbo pumps at flight speed and liftoff. A new ride back to Earth for Rubio, Prokopyev, and Petelin takes aim on the International Space Station. And we've had escape tower jettison and first stage separation. The Soyuz traveling 4,500 miles an hour, 29 miles in altitude, 29 miles downrange, coming up on the 2.5-minute mark into the flight. And we've had launch shroud jettison. This view now from a television camera on the upper stage of the Soyuz booster. Second stage separation confirmed. Third stage engine up and running. 5 minutes, 10 seconds into the flight. 3 minutes and 40 seconds of powered flight remaining. Standing by for third stage shutdown and spacecraft separation. Third stage shutdown and spacecraft separation. Onboard computers now will command the deployment of the appendages, the solar arrays, and you can see them begin to unfurl. Navigational antennas will be deployed as well. The new ride home for Frank Rubio, Sergey Prokopyev, and Dmitry Petelin has arrived at the International Space Station. Docking occurred at 6:58 p.m. Central Time, 7:58 p.m. Eastern Time, as Soyuz and the International Space Station flew 260 miles over northern Mongolia. It was smooth and uneventful every step of the way. The new Soyuz, uncrewed, has arrived at the international outpost.